Hi loves, what is up? Your girl is back with a video, and in today's video this is going to be another 2-in-1 hair and makeup get ready with me. So as you guys can see, this is the unit and I am putting it on. This is a 5x5 closure. You guys can see the part in space. It literally comes to almost the end of each of my eyebrows, so this kind of gives the illusion of like a mini frontal. So this is the frontal without the rest of the hairline, which I absolutely love. It's so much easier than doing frontals for my beginners out there. So this is 3 bundles of 18, 20, and 22 inches in an 18-inch closure, 5x5 closure. And this hair is from Mscoco hair. If you guys are interested on with purchasing their hair, just check the description box down below. I absolutely love this hair. I think this is their loose wave or their deep wave. I'm not sure, but everything will be down in the description box below. So I'm just cutting off the lace off the closure, and we're about to customize it so that it can look a bit more natural. I did make this unit on my own. This is a machine-made unit, and you guys, I actually really loved like the whole closure, the 5x5s. I think this might be it for the summertime, okay? So I am using bold hold in the front. Now you don't have to use glue with your closure units, but I'm gonna use glue because I was going somewhere and it's kind of hot outside, okay? And I just wanted to make sure that my wig was good, because I don't use elastic bands on mine. So this is like my security. So I'm just applying 2 layers of the bold hold. And then I'm just pressing the lace into the glue, making sure that it's melted. And I am really loving the 5x5. Really loving it. So then I'm going in with some freeze spray, and I'm just using that as like an extra topping on top of that glue, just to keep it even more secured and just add more security, you know, because it was really hot outside. And although you can take your closure units off at night, I don't. So I have actually been sleeping in this wig for like about 3-4 nights now, and the hair is amazing. When I say I brush the hair out in the morning and once at night before I go to bed, and the hair does not tangle up on me, it doesn't shed. It's really amazing. The closure still looks good. Really, I have no problems with this hair at all. And it's very thick, which I really love. And I love big hair, but this hair isn't super big to where my face is like being swallowed. So yeah, now I'm just adding some concealer to my parts to make it look a bit more natural. As you guys can see, it definitely does look 10 times more natural. Just straightening out my part in the front. And then my hair underneath this wig isn't really braided down completely flat. So if it looks a bit bulky, that's because my hair underneath isn't braided flat. But besides that, I feel like the wig looks amazing. And I'm just cutting off like that extra tab on the corner, because we do not need that. And then going in with some more freeze spray to kind of lay down the that side. And that is pretty much it for my hair. That simple. Literally took like 10 minutes to install this wig. So now jumping into makeup, you guys, I was in a rush as always. But I was in a rush, and this is just me doing like a simple face beat. So I'm just going in with some primer and some moisturizer. And this is the Maybelline moisturizer. And I used a new No, this is the Maybelline primer. I use the new moisturizer. It's the Neutrogena Grapefruit, and I actually really like it. And then I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Glotion in the shade 409, just applying that all over my face. And it looks like I'm hurting my face, you guys. I promise I'm not. I was really just trying to hurry up. And when I'm in like a rush, I do everything out of order, and I look so crazy doing it, but whatever. I still wanted to share with you guys like the 2-in-1s because I know you guys really enjoy it. So the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. And I'm not using a lot of foundation. I just wanted something to like cover my face enough, but not a lot. So just applying an even coat and then going in with the Milk Makeup concealer in the shade Tan. And this was kind of too light for like a natural beat that I was going for. So I went in with my Maybelline concealer as well, the Age Rewind concealer. And I believe this is in the shade Tan, and I'm just going over the concealer so that when I blend it out, it can kind of be like toned down. And I'm just going in and blending it out with my foundation brush that I use to also help tone it down. And y'all know when I do my makeup in a rush, it's like I do everything out of order. Out of order. But for some reason, every time I'm in a rush and I'm doing my makeup, I feel like it turns out better when I'm rushing than when I take my time. But that's the universe. So to set my face, I'm using the Mario Badescu. Now this is just to add some type of, setting mist to my face so that everything can kind of blend together. And I actually did not set my face with any powders at all. And my face was so flawless, it made no sense. So for my brows, I'm using the ColourPop pencil. This is their brow position pencil, and this is in the shade Black and Brown, I believe. And I'm really just using this to outline my brows. I was gonna leave it how it was, but I kind of wanted like a more sharper and defined brow. So I went in with the what was it? I went in with the Benefit pomade, which you guys will see a little bit later. So I am currently carving out my eyebrows because at first I thought, my eyebrows, they look good, they're okay, I guess the pencil will do. And as I am carving out my eyebrow, who am I looking at? Somebody in there talking to me. I think it's my mom. Y'all, I am never alone when I'm doing my makeup. I'm always being bothered. So imagine me trying to like hurry up and talk and do my makeup at the same time. We were late though, we were. So I'm just blending out the concealer that I used. And then as you guys can see, I went back in with the Benefit. And I'm just outlining my brows so that they can look 10 times sharper because the pencil just was not doing it for me. But I actually really like mixing those two together. So I'm going to go in with some new Milani Rose Oil. I saw it in like Walgreens, I think, and I just picked it up because I've never seen it before. So I just decided to go over my whole entire face with that just to add a bit more moisture to my face because I feel like the moisturizer I used wasn't moisturizing enough. And then to bronze my face up, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics contour palette. I didn't use any cream contour, which I actually like. So yeah, it looks good. And then going in with some blush. This is from the Morphe 9B palette. And then jump into my lips. Y'all see I'm all over the place, right? All over the place. I'm using the NYX lip liner. Now, I don't like this lip. I was looking for my dark brown lip liner. Couldn't find it, so I said whatever. And then I'm applying my NARS lip gloss. Forgot the shade. Did not like this color, though. And y'all gonna see me tweak it towards the end. So I popped my lashes on because I did apply my glue on them and they were drying, so I had to hurry up and pop those on. And that was really fast. Okay. I think this eye was giving me a lot of trouble. I was just not here for it because your girl was trying to hurry up. The time was just not on my side. So I'm going back in with another shade of the NARS lip gloss just to lighten it up. And then I jumped back to my eyes, applied some black liner in my waterline. And then for highlight, I believe I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And just applying this to all the areas I would like. Going in to fix that lash. And then to set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I did apply some dark brown liquid lipstick around the corners of my lips because I need that like dark brown line. Like it just looks beautiful. And then going in with the NARS over top of that. I think this is like my favorite lip gloss duo now. And you guys, I just went to go get dressed, put some earrings on, and that was it for your girl. I am all set to go out and have fun. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, "Never thought I was better, just knew God made me different." So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next one. Bye.